up the game with our Narzo series? Well, like I just said, bring the power on with all the advantages that are already with Realme franchise.
Hi guys, Nidhi here, the product manager of Realme Narzo. Now let's make you feel the power of Narzo 10 series as we bring you the max power and performance in both Narzo 10A and Narzo 10 segments. Let's start with the first product, Narzo 10A. Design has always been an essential part for Realme, and this time we are bringing a completely unique and never seen before design. We have a big and iconic Realme logo at the back on a scratch-proof texture. It reflects lighting and showcases some interesting patterns and is extremely comfortable while holding it in your hands. This will be available in two very interesting colors. First is a blue variant, which is so blue. Just check this beauty in my hand. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? And, of course, the second color is an elegant white, which is also so white. Yes, so blue and so white and so unique. This is the beginning of the Narzo journey, and I'm sure you guys will love this design. The Realme Narzo 10A comes with a huge 6.5-inch display. We designed the Narzo 10A in such a way that despite the huge size power, the Narzo 10A features the powerful MediaTek Helio G70 processor, which is the best processor for gaming in this segment. It is an 8-core 12-nanometer processor that clocks up to 2.0 gigahertz. It is ideal for mainstream smartphone users and elite mobile gamers with an efficient, high-performance ARM Mali G52 GPU. The chipset has an amazing 150% performance improvement compared with the last generation in the same price segment. The Narzo 10A has an Antutu benchmark score of around 193,000, giving you the best performance in this segment. This is a score that is even higher than other models in a higher price segment. But Antutu is not just what defines the performance of a phone. It is also the only chipset in this segment that supports the HD high graphic settings by default. For our users who love to play games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Asphalt, etc., Narzo 10A will provide a superior gaming experience without any lags. To further give you the best experience, we are bringing a massive 5000 mAh battery. You can talk for 43.9 hours, watch YouTube videos for 20.8 hours, listen to music on Spotify for 19.4 hours, and play PUBG for 10.6 hours. With this, you can be completely carefree about charging your phone. The Narzo 10A also supports reverse charging. Though it would need an OTG cable to achieve this function, at key moments, it can charge other devices just like a power bank. Now let's talk about my favorite part, the camera. On the hardware front, the Narzo 10A sports an AI triple camera at the back. The 12-megapixel rear main camera features a 5p f1.8 large aperture lens with a 1.25 micron pixel size. It can zoom up to 4x and supports PDAF autofocus. So you will be able to capture bright and clear pictures, not just in daylight, but in low-light conditions as well. We are also bringing a macro lens this time that lets you shoot tiny objects. You will observe a totally different world with this macro lens. The AI triple camera setup is something that sets Narzo 10A apart from the others with exciting features like chroma boost, portrait mode, and slow-motion video recording. The Auto HDR can keep the highlights and dark details in the picture to get accurate images with abundant details and more colors. The cameras also support 1080p video shooting and slow-motion videos at 120 FPS. You can just turn on the chroma boost, which lets you take pictures that turn out to be more colorful, able to get perfect bokeh effect. And these pictures just beautiful. On the front, the Narzo 10A features a 5-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.4 aperture and 1.12 micron lens. Its AI portrait selfie supports manual adjustments as well, based on your personal preferences. and a new Pano selfie feature that applies a compound of multiple photos to ideally garner photos in a wider angle. The phone is enhanced with an all-rounder protection internally as well. The Narzo 10A is an endurable phone with splash resistance. And of course, the triple slot. So you can use 2 SIM cards and an external memory card simultaneously. A must-have feature for Indian consumers. But last but not the least, the fast fingerprint scanner of the Narzo 10A is the fastest in the market right now. Well, that's all about the Realme Narzo 10A. Let me show you a video with A-class performance. I hope you will enjoy it soon. Now, please allow me to introduce Sri Hari on stage to talk more about the Narzo 10.
Namaste. I'm Sri Hari, Product Manager, Realme India. And today I am happy to be in front of you with the brand new Narzo series. Now, after the Narzo 10A, it's time for something new. Yes, the Narzo 10 will bring you some epic performance, but first, let's check how the new kit in town looks like. How about it? Good, right? Honestly, the color variants are just gorgeous. We have 2 colors for the Narzo 10. One is called that green, and the other one is that white. Designs that are subtle, yet make you stand out. You might notice that the Narzo 10 has an unusually good design, very sophisticated. After the design, let's talk about the performance. Good performance will be at the core for all Narzo products, and we believe the Narzo 10 is one of the most powerful phones in this price. We are glad to announce that the Narzo 10 is the first phone in India to come with MediaTek Helio G80 processor. We believe it is the best gaming chipset in its category. As the inheritor of Helio G90T, G80 maintains the high standard of gaming experience. For example, the Hyper Engine inside Helio G80 could simply defer the calls while gaming so that you don't have to stop gaming even when there is an incoming call. The Helio G80 is made up of a pair of Cortex A75 cores and 6 Cortex A55 cores, so that the whole CPU provides a 35% increase in single-core performance and 17% increase in multi-core performance. Besides, the Mali G52 GPU enhances the graphic performance by another 25%. Well, you have seen the power of the Helio G80, but I know what you guys are waiting for. You're waiting to see the benchmarks. So the Narzo 10 with the Helio G80 scores a whopping 201,278. This score is amazingly good and is on par with many mid-range processors that power much more premium devices. Compared with some other popular devices with popular mid-range chipsets like our devices, for example, the Realme 5 Pro that comes with Snapdragon 712, the Narzo 10 outperforms even that on AnTuTu score, which shows the outstanding power inside the Narzo 10 and that this phone is setting a high standard for performance in its price segment. Let's have a look at the gaming performance. We took the Narzo 10 and we tried to play Mobile Legends and PUBG with it. Now, on Mobile Legends, the average frame rate while gaming for the Narzo 10 was close to 60 FPS. It means you can enjoy smooth and responsive gaming just as if you have a high-end smartphone. If you're a gamer, I know you're going to love this. Here's another surprise for you. The Narzo 10 comes with a whopping 128 GB storage inside, which makes it one of the only phones in this segment to do that. How about the camera? You might be very eager to know about the optics on the Narzo 10. Well, let's have a look. A 48 megapixel camera powers the quad camera setup on the Narzo 10. The 48 megapixel quad camera features a higher resolution sensor so that your pictures can be more clear and full of details. With the larger sensor size, the 48 megapixel main camera performs better in low light.
I really like it. Now let's reveal the mystery of Narzo 10A first. It had a sharp triple camera that supports PDFA fast focus along with the enhanced portrait and macro shooting capabilities. The mid-ranger engine, which is MediaTek Helios G70, giving you an A-class heavy gaming capabilities, which no other phones at this price segment can offer, I can guarantee that. The massive 5000 mAh battery promises a very fair endurance. The big mini rough full screen is giving a better eye protection than before. With a triple SIM card slot, split resistance quality and a unique iconic design, Narzo 10A is hitting all the sweet spots as the best gaming phone in the sub 10K segment. Yes, Narzo 10A will have only one variant, which is 3GB, 32GB, with two unique color options, which is so white and so blue. And the price for Narzo 10A would be 8,499 rupees only. Now it's time for the epic Narzo 10's power revealing. Just look at the Master Edition design, which I was telling you about. So premium and unique, something you have never seen at this price point. It also is packed with a Helios G80 with 5000 mAh battery. Narzo 10 is going to be a perfect gaming phone with the most powerful processor, the best battery performance, the largest screen view. But there's one more thing that really makes it stand out from the crowd. Yes, Narzo 10 will give you the one and only 128GB ROM at this price point. So, we have 4GB, 128GB in Narzo 10, and it's going to be priced at 11,999 rupees. That's all for our first Narzo series launch. I hope you will like both the A-class and epic phones with the best in-class gaming capabilities. Even if the world is at a hard time, Realme will always be there to give you many more surprises.